just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't about revenge, but now I get along better with your